Hello, in today's video we will be showing you how to add a second hard drive or SSD to an HP dv7 laptop. We start off by removing the bottom cover and also the battery from the laptop. Removing the bottom cover and the battery is done so by sliding the latch as shown here. After you remove the bottom cover, you are gonna see the primary and second hard drive bay of the dv7 laptop. So to add a second drive, we would need a SATA 2.5-inch hard drive or solid-state drive. We will also need a drive cable to connect the SATA hard drive to the laptop. So the next step now is to remove the caddy bracket for the second hard drive, which already comes with the laptop. And we'll do this by removing the 4 screws that hold it in place. We then assemble the caddy bracket, SATA hard drive, and cable together. Caddy, cable, and hard drive assembly complete. So now it's time to install it in the second drive bay. There is a small path leading from the second drive bay to the connector of the laptop. What you need to do is insert the cable inside that path all the way to the connector of the laptop. Second hard drive installation complete, you now have a dual drive dv7 laptop. Thank you.